is chicken meat. Okay. Yeah. So this is a crayfish and ogirobe. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll be making two different soup. One is banga stew, while the other one is um vegetable soup. Okay, so right now everything is ready just for me to do what you can see over there. You can see pots. Okay, so yeah, so now I say make I carry you guys along, because stay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe or turn on the notification bell. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is goat meat. Okay, so I'll be using goat meat and chicken meat. Okay, so I've already dried chicken here. Okay, so I'll be using goat meat and chicken. I'll just mix it. Okay, I'm not going to use everything. No. This is one full chicken of 20 something thousand naira, and this is goat meat of 30 something thousand naira. So I'll just take, because I always like taste of goat meat in the banga stew. Okay, so join me guys. Okay? So time to put crayfish. I've already added before making this video. Your food. So this is dried fish, catfish method. Hi guys, how are you doing? So I am done cooking the banga stew and the vegetable soup. Like, the soup came out so yummy. So I did not carry you guys along again when I was cleaning up because the kitchen was mixed up after the cooking, so we're just rushing to tidying up the kitchen. Okay, so that is it. So please, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Lucy Chioma. Okay, so do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and do you know what, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you're going to be notified. Become part of this family. Okay, you can also support us in any way you can. If you join, click on the join button and join my membership, please. It's not a bad thing. You're just doing it to support your baby girl. And you can also click on the thanks button and follow the direction. In that, you are going to encourage me to make more interesting video, interesting vlog for you people. Okay, so right now, after here, I'm going to head to the kitchen. Okay, so I will be making concoction rice. Okay, yeah, and not really concoction rice. I think concoction rice doesn't require tomatoes, but this will actually use tomatoes in making it. So let's just go and see what I'm about to do. Okay. Talk. What do you have to say then?
Hello. Your mommy is there. How are you today? Fine. What is it? Can help? No. Why? Can you tell it's not? Oh, so they're not? No. No.
Tell me your name.
My name is Somto.
Good. Oh yeah, say your name. Say hello. What is your name?
It goes like this.
Say your name.
Stop!
Oh yeah, say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Jennifer. That's
Okay. Oh yeah, say hi. What is your name? Tell them your name. So guys, I want to make sapa jollof rice. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm done cooking the jollof rice. Yeah, so I just called hubby that I want to eat fish. I want to eat roasted fish, and he promised me that if he comes early that he's going to brush and get fish for us. So I'm waiting for him. I just pray because I just feel like eating the fish. So let's wait and see if he's going to bring the fish. Yeah. I can't wait to enjoy myself. So I'm going to see you guys later, okay? So guys, we're done. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button to subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.